Okay, this is for the Variety 2 project. So you have two different Variety 2s. What I would like for you to choose this time around is a four or more letter word that is school appropriate. And I want you to use bubble or block letters to write that word out. If you don't know how to do block letters, there are tons of resources online that you can use to help you with bubble and block letters. So my four-letter school appropriate word is going to be hope. Okay. My next job is I need to break the background up into 6 different places. So you could do this with curved lines, you could do this with straight lines, you could do it however you would like. So I want to have like it radiating from the O. So I'm going to make it look like it's going behind the word by picking up and putting my pencil down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's break this one up. You can have more, don't have less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I have 6. Now, in each of the letters and in each of the spaces, you're going to put a new pattern. What is a pattern? Patterns are things that repeat over and over again in the same way or a predictable way. So it could be shapes. It could be lines. It could be a combination of shapes and lines. But whichever you choose, each section has to have its very own pattern, and each letter also has to have its very own pattern. Because we are dealing with variety, and we want to have as much variety as possible here. And pattern, you can pretty much make up your own, or you can go look online. There's tons of patterns available out there. remember, you're not copying me exactly. This is an example, okay? So I know, friends, you'd like to copy whatever your teacher's doing exactly. But think of it like a mathematical equation. Your teacher teaches you how to do a mathematical equation. But are you always going to deal with the exact same numbers over and over and over again and the exact same formula over and over again? No, you need to apply it. So that's what I'm showing you right now, is how to apply things. Okay? At this stage, you're going to come to me and you're going to tell me if you would like a thick or thin Sharpie. You only can have one Sharpie at a time, and in order to get the next one, you have to let me know which one you want. Okay, so you're going to outline all your lines and everything that you made. Now, which one you use is totally up to you. Okay? Now, Miss Welsh buys the Sharpies herself with her money, so that's why you're not getting the caps, because I would like to get my Sharpies back. I'm not going to use the thick Sharpie on everything. I'm only using it on some things that I want to have a thickness to it. But I am going to have to go over every single line with a Sharpie. Realistically, most of our projects can take 1 to 2 days to do in class if you work hard. If you are not working hard, you're off task, it's going to, of course, take you many days to do it. And remember, when we finish one, we're just going to go straight to the next one. And all our units are in order, so that is also going to be helpful for you. And I decided I'm going to switch to a thin Sharpie to do lines inside the letters. But if you wanted to use the same Sharpie, that's fine. You could use the same Sharpie for the entire thing, or use the thin Sharpie for the outside stuff, and then the thick Sharpie for the inside stuff. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I made like a small mistake, like I missed the pencil line, so I'm just going to take my eraser. And then that way, when I go to put the colored one, it's not going to be noticeable at all. So anything you need to erase, you need to do before you add color. So once you add the color, whatever's underneath is going to be trapped there. Now one thing I'm doing is I'm not pressing down hard with the thin Sharpie. I'm just dragging it across the paper, because when you press really hard on it, it's like squishes the tip, and then nobody can use it anymore. Also, don't check out the Sharpies like on your skin to see if they work, okay? Because the oils in your skin actually clog the thing. All right, so now I'm ready to start coloring. So I'm going to actually get some water and some brushes, and I'm going to show you how to use watercolors for this. But if you have your own markers and you want to use your own markers, cool, awesome, fine. If you want to use colored pencils, you go right ahead, okay?